I think we all need to be a little bit mindful of how we use what we use. We're not the only ones here. When you start to become aware of what you're doing to your health and to your environment, everything has a use. It's a shame that we waste so much. What we're going to make is a butternut squash ravioli. The inside's gonna be a cashew ricotta. The sauce, I don't know what the sauce is gonna be. We're just kind of play with some ingredients. Chop up some garlic. Got my compost. Compost is when your food scraps that you end up not using go into a bin that's able to reproduce soil, and that soil is then reusable for planting. What we're gonna do is gonna make our own coconut milk. That's gonna probably go into the cashew ricotta. I'm gonna give it one good whack and see what happens. Zero waste. We're gonna scoop out the meat. So cashews and coconut is the base. Adding garlic in there just to give it some aromatics. Lemon just to brighten it up. You're gonna taste every single ingredient. A little bit of semolina flour, kneading the dough, and then I'm going to add this butternut squash, because what I think is going to happen now is that when I roll out the dough, it's gonna have patches of butternut squash throughout. I like adding colors. I soak some pistachios overnight. I do have an avocado. Hopefully, the avocado gods have given us a perfectly ripe avocado. Yep. In America, we waste so much food. It really makes me sad because we're able, as a country, to feed every person who's hungry. There's people who jump into dumpsters and they feed themselves on a day-to-day basis. Time to lay out the dough for the ravioli. People shouldn't feel discouraged or nervous about cooking. It's about being present in the moment while you cook. Look at it as an art. Look at it as playing music. You don't jump to the end of the song to understand the whole song. You play the song from the beginning to the end. So cooking is just like that. You get to learn things about yourself. You get to create. I feel like I'm a kid every time I step into the kitchen.